and kalambwa ne advice so kamza ngombe dagbango panye solo check to understand entertainment aside Gadam and Makasio banana near the two main representatives in Ghana music industry ban represent North seriously even Wiala Sharifatu Gunu and others they are not popping up like trend as la two guys mama aside tenem nye Gadam nation men Makasio ma paya solo chele akata protector la two artists mama be dignity in a way anyela so ko ku chang shepherd to ku force ra no pull Gadam down omi ka o replacement ni man ho o ko yen zon so replace ni man ka nye so ko ku chang to ku first shop za ni she Makasio yombe shema omi ka replacement she no zan pia ni man te game ma to mi tem player rasha mi no be ni man ma ya ina mbe twa kamine unwonye ya ma mwito break through kata mezu nyom because of wula ko break through to major with southern artists the two men to try harder push so chang to pose asa ya kam tembe social media poster Gadam ungrateful ma the reflector me in audios with other international people poster ya kam Makasio did what ma the reflector me in international platforms so iri style shell cutting ya o yanam be o yin nam mamang but we take ko serious because ni salem pilla shepul foundation ma kala nir ma gban yule kay no be o yen dila arano woni o kulbi ni shell kam o foundation ma she nguna wonya but here is the case every day we are pulling the guy JC every day problem am be yes or pull so JC and that JC ma pam nyame ngona jinzon o ten so issue ma yelo mino di dollar yetwa kaban yen yina total ma karnya ya biam kama Chelsea fans be Barcelona fans te dala player 1 billion ko 1 sirkane abanye Chelsea tinda player so ma te dollar 2 billion ko 1 sirka to lana ma kan yarma o di dollar so ko mino to mai taba ka shaban diele lebe den karngala banda twala arso ba o man so Makasio ko mino to mai taba ka shaban diele lebe den karngala mino nda twa so banan share business ka to mai taba kanyu ai won ku to yo ka to show ba di pa she walo be tiare because the zo ka ba yen toro Gadam ma yen be kero show ka zo ka ba yen toro Makasio a yen be kero show so ai ka so sam na tanira dum ka ta mi tamal men Ghana be dagbang pam ban ka so sam ma banan mi nerba pulling down on ku be she ma na lab na ka mi no zajiya so try him ya this time the only medium of information yala social media platforms with the current restrictions is a worldwide monitoring so if we don't have shaka ma za worldwide monitor limit so ka la two guys ngoma ki kill ma you are automatically killing the northern music industry because whether you like it or not he's one of the headlines so if you are killing him you are killing the industry directly to be a so sakuto goro bi an bi an lafs tlan yang na ka tlan lapte ni tlan da so hal ko tuzani man so it's better ka to wise committee and player to kasya
tum na tum ber kasi ambor nyem te heaven come on how wala ke nyevenya adanka yetum la 247